Hey, SwitchBlade, contact. And take a California station. You guys have a good one. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu said, have a good night. Aloha. Bye. Hello, we're on the west side, California, ModSquad, Honolulu. Is that 605? Right there, 605. I got you in my radio, man. Take it 605 in the west side. You look good in Honolulu. ModSquad, Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. I'm checking with you. Right back, 605 Central Cal. You take care now. Enjoy the evening time. ModSquad, Honolulu. ModSquad watching the sun go down in Honolulu. ModSquad, Mobile. See ya now. We out. Yeah, is that 504? 504? ModSquad, right back. Yeah, you got some audio in Honolulu. ModSquad, Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. You got ModSquad, Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. Back to you.
I thought I heard you call 504, I did. But I got some locals keying up now, so I got to deal with them. Hello, Mr. ModSquad, 504, you're not away.
Right back, 504. I did call your name, man. Take it 504. ModSquad Honolulu said you're making a trip, man. I don't know about your locals, but you're making a trip in Honolulu. 504 ModSquad Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. It'll be on the video gate though. Take it 504 from ModSquad Honolulu. 504 and a good time gang. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu, Hawaii, standing by. You have to believe in what Dave made offers. Hey, 605 ModSquad said you loud and clear yet. Hello, 605 ModSquad Honolulu.
ModSquad Honolulu, we hear you again, no doubt. My friend, Honolulu, 605, 73.
Right there, 605, 73 is right back to you, man. You guys enjoy the evening. 605 ModSquad Honolulu got you on the video gate, loud and clear. Aloha. Have a good one, my friend. It's rough and tough on that next breaker, but have a good time. ModSquad will be listening for you. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. Check in from the mini grass.
Hello there, ModSquad. We're working that Mobile around the mini grass. Chopping my lazy boy around Tahoe with the evening time waves.
Right back. Is that Chopper on that lazy boy?
Roger that, ModSquad, Chopper, my lazy boy. You've been getting busy out there on the VideoGates. You got all kinds of them posted. You've been a busy man, my friend, ModSquad, last week. Chopper, my lazy boy.
Check, yeah. My Mobile got a lot of Mother Nature, so I got to take advantage of it there. But then again, I end up making a lot of videos, so yeah, I got a lot now there, and I got a lot today, so I'll have some more there. You on it again there, Chopper. ModSquad Honolulu.
Hey, ModSquad, yeah, you've been a busy man. They don't call you Mr. Contact or nothing. As I look at all that VideoGate you're going on YouTube right there in the last week. I've been hearing you out there with all them you posted there, ModSquad. You've been sounding real good. Well, happy Pappy's Day and all that other good stuff. ModSquad, Chopper, my lazy boy.
Okay, Chopper, take care, man. You guys have a good one too there, Chopper. Have a good Pappy Day wave to you also. Mod Squad Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. We'll be back listening. Aloha.
Bye, ModSquad, I'm gone. Hey, Chopper, local boy, Mobile, hello. Hey, Chopper, local boy. Hey, Chopper, local boy, Honolulu. Hey, ModSquad, sounds like he's ghost stalking, you know. I don't think you're knocking. I did hear you in there calling. I think you said, shit, I don't want to throw the handle out there because he didn't sound like him there, but for my lazy location. Hey, Chopper, local boy, Mobile, Aloha. Chopper, local boy. Hello, Chopper, local boy, Honolulu. I got some other local stations jumping up in my ear out there trying to make some contact too. They're doing something there, but they're not doing it at the right time. They need to be trying to get up on top of me right there. Chopper, my lazy boy, knows going through this mail right here.
Hey, Chopper, Mod Squad said you're still loud, Chopper. Hey, Chopper, Mod Squad said you're still loud in Honolulu there. Mod Squad, standing by.
How about it, ModSquad? 459 Filter waving. Lake Tahoe there. ModSquad, Mr. Contact, working that Mobile around the mini grass. Chopper, working this gold lane plane up there on the west slope of the Sierras. Back quiet. How about that?
Right back, Chopper. Okay, you take care, man. I hear 459 calling me. I think I keyed on 459. But take care, Chopper. Hello, 459. I heard you check into there. That Chopper kind of mean right now. 459, but I do hear you also. Mod Squad, right back.
Yeah, I'm being nice. ModSquad, thanks for this, get back. Little tongue twisted there, ModSquad. 459.
Yeah, 459. Where you at? You in California? 459, come on.
Honolulu.
Right back, 459. Okay, you take care, man. My neighbor trying to call you when you on the mall, so I know they can't hear nothing. They just want to talk. Take care, 459, Mod Squad, Honolulu, read the mail.
A minute ago, the local boy, I didn't realize you were in your Mobile right there, and I didn't want to throw your name out.
Okay, 459, have a good evening too. We'll be listening in the islands. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu. Catch you later now.
Happy Father's Day, local boy.
Yeah, Chopper, that's the other local boy in Honolulu. That's the local boy in Honolulu you're listening to there, Chopper.
How about it, local boy? Local boy, 459, trying to get in there receiving. 459, trying to get his numbers. No, I'm back quiet.
Oh yeah, you take care, Chopper. You too, 459. You still loud in Honolulu. 459, Chopper, Mod Squad Mobile, standing by.
I hear you, ModSquad. No chance of you having that video game rolling. I would love to see my numbers out there on that video game. ModSquad 459, your friend back quiet.
You all over the video gate. You are on the video gate. You ain't got to worry about it. It'll be out there tomorrow, man, because the time difference. It'll be there tomorrow morning there. Take care once again. 459, Mod Squad said you got it on the gate and you can see your DBs too. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu.
Mod Squad, I hear you, Roger. Big tempo on that, Mod Squad. 459 around the governor's chair. And I'd like to say hello to my neighbor, 510-510. Hello.
All right, Mod Squad Mobile gonna slide to the side. You too, Chopper. Take care, Chopper. Mod Squad Honolulu, copy the mail.
Bye. You got so many you're gonna have to use
All right, catch you later, man. Mod Squad Mobile listening.